and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Geld here to share this month's cafe card kit. So the card kit comes out every other month, and along with your kit you have access to recipe cards for 6 greeting cards. These are designed by our design team, and they'll give you their cutting assembly instructions, and then you can create cards right along with them. This month our card kit is featuring Photo Play Easter Sunday. So you're going to have lots of product to make all kinds of spring and Easter cards, and they are adorable. So let's dig right in and start looking at everything you're going to get in this month's kit. This month is a little different because we have some 12 by 12 papers and cut apart, so that's a lot of fun. But you're going to start with 6 pre-scored cards and 6 envelopes. You always receive those in the card kit. Then you're going to get 2 8.5 by 11 white cardstock sheets, and these are the really heavy cardstock, so it's heavy enough to make card bases for if you want. And then you're going to get 2 sheets of colored cardstock. So this month you're going to get a sheet of Blossom and a sheet of Limelight, and you can see how well it matches. So for the patterned paper that you're going to receive to create the cards, you're going to get this one that's called Bunny Tags, and it's just all of these adorable tags that can be fussy cut out. And the back is this gorgeous tone-on-tone pink print with the little bunnies and the eggs and the Easter baskets, flowers and butterflies, just gorgeous. And then we have this one called Easter Sentiments, which is a gorgeous plaid. And the back are all of these cut aparts in different sizes that have sentiments. So you could use some of the sentiments from the front and then use some of the plaid paper to finish that out. We have this one called Extravagant, which has gingham, yellow, and white. And the back are all of these really adorable Easter eggs. And we have this paper called Cottontail, which is a tone-on-tone green with florals and little bunnies. And the back is this adorable bunny print. We have daffodils and pink and yellow and the little bunnies and the teacups. So these are adorable. I would love to cut some of these out to embellish in the Easter egg basket. That would be super cute. So that is your patterned papers that you're going to play with. Now for the embellishments. So some of these embellishments are going to vary. You're going to get some of the ephemera pack. So it's going to be a half a pack. And again, these will vary, but these are the ones that I received. Lots of gorgeous accents for the front of cards. You're also going to get some of the puffy stickers. This is about 1/3 of a pack, and these will vary as well. Everyone will receive the stamp set. So this is a perfect stamp set for all kinds of greeting cards. So you could use some of just the spring prints and do thank you cards, or just thinking of you. And you're also going to get a roll of baker's twine, and again, these will vary. Mine's kind of it's a light beigey and white, well, cream, so cream based, so it matches perfect with that. So that is a look at this month's card kit. Be sure to grab that. Check out all the other kits we have available in the store and all the individual items. We have lots and lots of individual items. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.